Alright guys, I was able to break these free fairly easy, and it looks like all the oil, either that or somebody reassembled this without Loctite, because it looks like I just broke them free and they might come out with my impact. We'll see. I'll show you how this rotor comes off the hub. That one was a little difficult to get out, but usually they don't come out with this impact, so these are in here pretty weak. Yeah, they come out real easy. You can see where the oil is seeped into the bolts, so it's probably loosened up the Loctite. Okay, that's all of them. 8 bolts, 15 millimeter. Comes right off, see? Real easy, simple. I just got to clean this all up real good. Let's see how I held it in my vise. Seems clamped pretty good right there. Yeah, you can see it, okay. Clamps real good right there, so I mean it's just be careful you don't drop it out on your toe. On a bad rotor, you can actually clamp the rotor right in the vise, so when you're putting it back together, I clamp it like this. Okay, I guess I can take this off. Whew. Man, it's a hot one today. It's actually humid, so we're nice and steamy. Alright guys, that's how you get the rotor off of the hub. We'll get this all cleaned up, get the bearings cleaned up, and I'll show you what I mean by the seal. The seal is actually good, but it leaked. So once I get it cleaned up and inspect it, the lip a little better, I'll show you what I mean by how it sits back on the spindle and seals. Alright guys, stay tuned.